sports, and various extracurricular activities throughout the academic year. Each award and promotion represent countless hours of effort, perseverance, resilience, and unwavering commitment to excellence. It is a testament to the extraordinary talents and potential that our students possess. It is also a testament of the support and guidance extended by our parents to their children and the school in general. Meanwhile, the Portfolio Day celebrates the hard work, creativity, and dedication of our students. Students, the portfolios that we have created are not just collection of assignments and projects. They are a reflection of your growth, learning, and creativity. Each piece of work tells a story of perseverance, curiosity, and a desire to excel. So basig makalimot mo, parents and students, nakatay portfolio display there in the senior high school department. That is the portfolio display for grade 7, 8, 9, and 11 students. So please, before you go home, do not forget to visit our portfolio display. Makita ka ninyo dito sa layo. On the other hand, the School Parents Teachers Association plays a crucial role in the educational ecosystem. The role of SPTA cannot be underestimated as it fosters collaboration and communication among the parents and teachers, thereby enhancing the overall educational experience for students. It is worthwhile to note then that the School Parents Teachers Associations of the Batui School of Fisheries, through the initiative of our officers and board of directors, has done significant projects in our school. So with these accomplishments, the BDC family would like to thank the SPTA officers headed by Mr. Ronnie Missouri for exerting efforts to make every project a reality. And to the parents for untiringly supporting the projects and programs of the school. As we face another school year next year, let us continue to work hand in hand to achieve even greater accomplishments for the good of our students. In behalf of the entire BDC family, I cordially welcome you all to this recognition and promotional exercises of fourth quarter Portfolio Day. May this gathering continue to foster unity, harmony, and camaraderie among the internal and external stakeholders of this institution. Congratulations in advance to all our awardees and promotees. Let this be a day of joy, pride, and inspiration. Thank you very much, and God bless.
Thank you so much, Sir Tito. Let's acknowledge the arrival of our group. Please, District in Charge, Metro West District in Charge, Dr. Estela Aguilar. At this juncture, we are going to witness an intermission number from our students, a dance presentation from Sina Pangkat Mananayaw. Let us give them a round of applause, please.
Nani naglingkod din ha? Kuya.
Next, before we proceed with our promotional program, let us have our raffle draw first. So this is one of the SPA project. Now, we I do believe that this is the beginning of a new journey for our beloved students who strive, exerted full efforts, and displayed exceptional academic performance. In a few minutes, these students will finally receive the recognition and honor of gratitude. Now, let us give the stage to our beloved school principal for Dr. Hera Paz Williamson for her message. Let us give her a round of applause, please.
To our district in charge, Dr. Isabel Bian, SPTA officers headed by our chairperson, the president, Sir Rolly Hazulen, our administrative officer 4, Sir Alan Jimenez Amade, department heads, master teachers, all the teaching and non-teaching staff, dear parents, beloved students, good morning and magandang buhay. As what I have said last portfolio day, diba, kung mo nga ang atong sound system, now we have a very nice sound system. Okay, thank you, Sir Alan, and all the faculty and staff. Pwede na kung ano tayo, human-anin mo siguro. Okay, so today, our school, the School of Fisheries, is holding this recognition and promotional exercises home portfolio day. And actually, these are two activities, and due to hectic schedules and time constraints, we look for a way that we could have these two activities. So we have decided that we have to do it in one day. So we're hitting two birds in one stone. We're doing this in order to give recognition to our students who performed well, and not only that, but promotional exercises for those, all of you who are promoted or who will be promoted to the next year level, this coming school year, 2024-2025. I would like to congratulate our achievers and the parents. So congratulations for these achievements. I know that not all of you have achieved better, have performed well, but I know more that each one of you has been through different challenges in achieving this milestone. Maybe you will say, "Wa na jud may homework na sila na, wa na may module na among ato pagod, wa na may di na may mag-prepare kay magpapasyon na ni." Is it true? Naapala sa inyo na students? Yes. No? But take note that this is not the end. This is the beginning of another chapter. No? As you will be promoted to the next grade level. Isa may kailangan ma-promote? Raise your hands. Isa may gusto to the next grade level? Isang kamo. Ang hindi gusto, balik kasi ito this is grade level. Okay? So, we're able to cope up everything this school year. Even though if I am just with you, or I have been with you for almost 4 months yet, but we have already done a lot. And we're so happy because in our journey this school year, our stakeholders are always with us. Especially our LGU, municipal and barangay. And most especially our school PTA. Everything that we need, everything that we want, that what will happen in our school are only supported by our SPTA officers. And for that, let's give a warm round of applause for our SPTA officers headed by Sir Ronnie Stewart. As you can see on stage, we have the raffle draw. And this is again for our learners. Asa mo makita o isuot sa graduation, nakatunga kay inyong nakalan tungod kay isulder sa atong people. No? I know and I'm very excited to see you during your moving up and graduation exercises. Ngayon na po mga silver. And I also want to thank our faculty and staff for their unceasing efforts, no? Their love, their patience, their dedication in molding you and keeping you always on the right track. It's because of their love for you. I would like also to thank the parents for your constant support to our school. for sending your children here to study in our beloved School of Fisheries. Thank you so much, dear parents. And I am sure that I am very confident to say that our teaching and non-teaching staff are able to mold your children. But I am most pretty sure that whatever happens, all our prayers are with your children. God bless and thank you, everyone.
Thank you so much, Ma'am. Next will be the promotional march of our students from grades 7, 8, and 9 in junior high and from grade 11 in senior high. Mr. Alvin R. Rosal will present the grade 7 students, followed by Mrs. Alma Arana for the grade 8, Mrs. Cherry J. Salapao for grade 9, and Miss Anna Hazel Iglay for grade 11. Now, let us welcome our students for their promotional march.
Special program in technical vocational education. Grade 7 grouper. 22 males and 21 females. A total of 43 students. Grade 7 civic. 21 males, 22 females. A total of 43 students. Grade 7 Tuna. Basketball, 20 males. Badminton, 1 male, 4 females. Volleyball, 7 males, 8 females. Softball, 1 male, 6 females. Tennis, 1 male, 1 female. A total of 49 students. Special program in technical vocational education. Grade 7 Millfish, 22 males. 21 females, a total of 43 students. Congratulations. Special program in technical vocational education. 22 males, Grade 7 Mackerel, 22 males, 19 females. A total of 41 students. Special program in the arts, grade 7 sculpture, visual arts, 6 males, 14 females. Media arts, 3 males, 2 females. Theater arts, 1 male, 6 females. Creative writing, 4 females. A total of 36 students. Special program in the arts, grade 7 sleep math. Music, 6 males, 6 females. Dance, 4 females, 4 males, 16 females. A total of 32 students.
Kadaghan ba nila? Kadaghan sa grade 7. Sa Bato School of Visuals.
Congratulations.
culture, 17 males. And fish processing, 2 males and 3 to 4 females. A total of 49 students.
Badminton, 9 students. Tennis, 3 students. Softball, 2 students. Athletics, 1 student. A total of 25 students. Congratulations. Good morning, everyone. Now let us welcome the grade 9 students from the High School of Fisheries. Grade 9 students. Technical Vocational Recruitment Normal Plan. 8 males and 12 females. For a total of 20 students. General Academic Strength. 8 males and 8 females. For a total of 16 students.
Halos.
Grade 11 technical vocational recruitment classroom Grade 11 class, 21 males and 21 females. For a total of 42 students. Congratulations! Humanities and Social Sciences strand. Grade 11 sailfish, 27 males and 27 females, for a total of 56 students. Grade 11 shark, 25 males and 13 females, for a total of 55 students. Congratulations! honors for promotion
Thank you for watching.
by Mrs. Ivy R. Corpus, Master Teacher 1. This will be followed